Let's talk about making flashcards.
Sign into your account, select your course and click on Learning Kit and then Flashcards. From here, you can access all the pre-made flashcards and revise vocabulary from the different units. Let's take a look at the set of flashcards for Unit 1. Here we have an image, and when we click on it, we can see the word written down. If you click on the little speaker, you can see how the term is pronounced.
Taste. Tongue.
Once you have revised all the words, you can play games to help you remember them by clicking here. Here you can play 3 games: Image Search, Choose the Correct Word, or Label the Image. Alternatively, you can click on Random Game and the system will randomly select one of these 3 games. Let's take a look at Image Search. In this game, you need to choose the photo that goes with the word. Now let's look at Choose the Correct Word. In this game, you need to select the word that goes with the image. And finally, there is Label the Image. In this game, you write the word that goes with the image.
Apart from the sets of flashcards that come built in, teachers can create their own sets of flashcards and share them with their students. Let's see how it works.
To create your own sets, click on the plus sign on the bottom right of your screen. You can create your own sets using the images that come already built in, or you can create sets using your own images. Let's create a set using our own images. We're going to call this set Musical Instruments. And we're going to add pictures I have downloaded from the internet. Now click on Click to Add Image and select an image from your computer. You can record the word so your students know how the word is pronounced. To do so, click on the microphone. You might get a permission request from your browser to access your microphone. Make sure you accept. Then to record, click on the microphone, and to stop recording, click on the microphone with a line through it. Once you're happy with the recording, click on the check sign to save it. Now let's add the rest of the images. Once you have finished your set, click on Save. As you can see, now we have created our set. If you would like to add or delete flashcards from the set, click on the 3 dots next to the title and select Edit. Let's add another flashcard. Now that our set is ready, let's share it with our group. Click on the 3 dots next to the name of the set and select the class you want to share this set of flashcards with. Then click on Share. Now all the students who belong to that class have access to this set of flashcards.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when we release new content. See you in the next video.